Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing something that I didn't plan on. I mean, knew it was probably going to come, but as you can see, my muffler delete nameless axle backs are on the floor right there, and the stock ones are on. Well, I had it at a Subaru dealership, and they went ahead and inspected it for me, and obviously failed. Mufflers weren't on, no mufflers. So they were going to make me pay for new ones, and I said no. So I ran my old ones back out there real quick, and they changed it, got passed back, and I don't like them. But I will show you what it sounds like. It's so quiet compared to what it was with those on it. But like, I'll show you here. It almost sounds stock. Now obviously there's a little more rumble because the entire exhaust is done and just the axle backs are the stock mufflers, but we're gonna show you just a quick little video and compare you and show you how quiet and how much, you know, it really quiets it down, because it's insane. When you're idling, it almost sounds like it is stock. It's got a little more aggressive rumble, but it's still super quiet. See, as you heard there, it is quiet. I mean, it does have a little bit of rumble. Obviously, headers, up pipes done, 3-inch down pipe, 3-inch mid pipe. The only thing that's different is the stock axle back. Sorry, brain fart. But anyway, we're gonna throw these bad boys back on and then show you what they sound like, and then you'll see how quiet that actually made the car compared to what it was, because it's a huge difference. Like, I got in and I was like, I thought they did the whole exhaust back, but it was just the axle backs, because I looked, thank God, because some of that was pretty tricky to get on. But anyway, let's get to doing that and we'll show you what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see from that last sound clip with the nameless axle back on, the huge difference it sounds like. The huge difference in sound that there is. It is much louder, and you know, just the axle back changes that. Now it's back to its full exhaust. Tip to header, all done. Sounds great. Love the sound. Gonna try to find a way around this whole muffler thing, but doubt I will. State of Pennsylvania, for crying out loud. But anyway, that's all I wanted to do. Wanted to show you that I can make this thing a little sleeper if you just keep your old mufflers around. Pretty fun. I was out there. I might do a video on this later too. Going out there and toying around with some other cars that thought that I was just some regular stock STI. Like, because it looks like it. Don't get me wrong. It looks bone stock. And with those mufflers on, with the stock mufflers on there, it sounds bone stock. So it was quite enjoyable to go and toy around with some people and some decent horsepower cars that, you know, with the amount of work that I have done to this with the access port and stuff and the tune and all the other stuff I have done to it. It was pretty funny to watch them freak out, because thought they got dusted by a stock STI, but pulled over, talked to him, and showed him a little bit about what the car is about. So then they're like, oh, that's funny. That makes sense. So maybe do some of that toying around it later on. But anyway, that's all I wanted to do today, to show you the huge sound difference, since I had to mess around with the axle backs anyway, taking the stock ones off, putting my nameless back on. I thought I'd make a nice little video about it and show you the difference and what the sound quality really is and how much louder it is when you take the mufflers off, especially the stock one. But that's all the time we have for today. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your night. We'll catch you later. Have a nice one.